Hello friends, my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored 53 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness Dalai Lama is in a foreword. I have 43 years of diversified experience including in Air Force, business, teaching and training. In this short video I talk about technology and filmmaking. And of course I am not acquainted with filmmaking, and of course I am not very much acquainted with technology, but I would like to emphasize on two aspects. One is emotions and storytelling. These two are very much required because emotions will help us to convey whether it's a film or outside, wherever it is. And the second thing is stories I enjoy, and right from childhood I enjoy listening to stories, and I used to go to far distant places to acquire knowledge about the stories. And I wrote one of the books titled Secrets to Successful Public Speaking. So it's very obvious that I am very much passionate about the storytelling, and you have to collaborate with the technology. Artificial intelligence is ruling, but human creativity can't be replaced by technology. But we can technology can be a collaborate with the humans. So we should leverage, and we need to understand the craft, and we have to evolve constantly and grow. And let me share with you my challenge. I am a survivor of brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology. The message is adapt and grow with the changing times and technologies. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.